Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India. It encompasses a variety of physical, mental, and spiritual disciplines. While many people think of yoga primarily for its physical postures, asanas, it also involves breathing exercises, pranayama, meditation, dhyana, and ethical codes, yamas and niyamas. Here are some of the well-documented benefits of yoga. Physical benefits: increased flexibility, strength, balance, and cardiovascular health. Yoga can also help with pain relief, including back pain and arthritis. Mental benefits: reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Yoga can also improve sleep quality, mood, and overall well-being. Other benefits: improved body awareness, self-esteem, and focus. Yoga can also help with respiratory function and may boost the immune system. Yoga is a practice that can be adapted to people of all ages and fitness levels. There are many different styles of yoga, so you can find one that suits your interests and needs. If you're interested in trying yoga, it's a good idea to find a qualified instructor who can teach you the proper techniques and alignment.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট ও শেয়ার করুন আর নিয়মিত আপডেট পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং বেল আইকনে গিয়ে ক্লিক করুন।